Hello, good afternoon. We are here again for the update of my wind turbine. This is Supreme 50 ampere gel battery, AGM battery. As you can see, our wind turbine is generating 13.57 volts. The wind is okay, and our wind turbine is, I think we need to modify its tail so that he can get the wind on the proper direction. Okay, the wind's now stopped. Okay, we are not getting any voltage right now because the wind is not blowing anymore. As you can see, I'm getting this on a rectifier, but we are using the charge controller here. It has a green light that's connected on our battery. Okay, the wind is blowing again. Let's see if the wind turbine is spinning also. No, we need to modify tail so that it will get the wind direction. Okay guys, thank you very much. If there's something comment or anything I need to do, please put on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video for our update on our wind turbine.